Okay, children, welcome back. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Okay, I ask you to do that question. Did you complete how many rows are there? Number of rows? To complete that?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Children, are you able to complete that last problem? We have discussed logs question.
Ma'am, I cannot see you. Ma'am, I cannot see you.
Did you get it? Will
I cannot see you.
I will come to you. Wait. Anjali, did you get?
Ma'am, I tried, but it's not able to complete.
What happened? What happened? Up to
Ma'am,
verse
in
what?
between is and 200 is equal to n by 2 into 40 plus n minus 1 in minus 1.
What did you say?
Ma'am, 2 is equal to n by 2 into 40 plus n minus 1 into 1. Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Ma'am, there
So only one step.
I got the answer.
Answer. How
Ma'am,
many?
n is equal to 16. A 16 is equal to 5.
Number of logs. Correct. It's correct. Anybody else got answer? Gauri? Gauri? Did you try?
Yes.
Kshetra? Switch on your video, all of you. Minha, did you try that question? Minha?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
You got?
Yes, ma'am.
What the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
That
Okay.
question I didn't understand.
Question, very simple question. Why you didn't understand? I explained, there are some logs, 200 logs. And it was arranged in such a manner that 20 are there in the first row. After that, 19, 10, 18, 17, then 16. Up to that, it was arranging. Then question, how many rows are there? And what is the last number of logs in the last row? Okay, Minha, start. How did you start? Minha, give the answer. Unmute.
I'm finding n.
Yes. How do you find? Start. So we know that it is first it is 20, then 19, 18, etc. Then A equal to 20. Is it no? A equal to 20, D equal to -1, Sn equal to how many? Sn equal to 200. Okay. So Minha, give the steps. We know that Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Minha, do you have any problem with network? Can you hear me? Minha, can you hear me, Minha?
Yes, ma'am.
Then give the steps. Don't unmute. Don't unmute. Give the steps.
Ma'am,
Not unmute. Don't mute. Sorry. Don't mute. Unmute and say the answer.
Sn is equal to n by 2. That's
Okay. That formula, I wrote that formula. Then
2 n by 2. 2 into 20 plus n
that is
minus
40. 2 into 20 is 40. Plus
40.
n minus 1 into minus 1. Then
200 is equal to n by 2. 41 minus 1.
by 2 into plus 1. So 41 minus n, isn't it? Then
200 into 2. is equal to n into 41
Okay, that become 400. 200 into 2 become 400 equal to 41 n minus n square, isn't it?
yes.
Then
And then I got the proper.
then
And then I haven't got the proper method.
which method? Which method?
Am I proper?
Okay. After that, you didn't. Srihari, continue.
Ma'am, quadratic equation.
Quadratic equation. What is the quadratic formula you got? Quadratic equation you got? What was the equation?
N is equal to
No, yeah, n square minus 41 n plus 400 equal to 0. Then using quadratic formula, b square minus 4ac. What do you get? B square minus 4ac?
81.
81, because a equal to 1, b equal to negative 41, c equal to 400. B square minus 4ac is 81. So n equal to minus b minus 41 plus or minus root 81 by 2. Yes. Then
41 plus or minus 9 by 2.
9 by 2. So n equal to, we will get two answers. Which are they? N equal
25
to
and 60.
25 and 60. Yes. Then what did you say? We have, there are 25 rows or 16 rows, which we can take, both can't, we cannot. Why? Why did you choose
Ma'am, I checked
60?
Get
Ma'am, I
Check,
checked
okay.
25.
Yes, we have to check with 25. Then if n equal to, if n equal to 25,
Ma'am, then negative 4.
first find the top row. That is, find A25. A25 is A plus
24D.
24D. That is, A is 20. 20 plus 24 into negative 1, it is become negative 4. There are negative 4 logs on the top. It's not possible. There are negative 4 logs on the top, which is not possible. So you can write, which is n equal to 25 is not possible. It's not possible. So n equal to 16. So n equal to 16. So a 16 equal to a plus
50.
d 5 into negative 1, 20 minus 5, 20 minus 15, 15, 20 minus 15, 5. Therefore, there are 16 rows, 16 rows and 5 logs on 16th row. This is the answer. Those who tried can understand easily. Others, I don't know whether you have got or not. So,
Ma'am,
uh,
can I explain how we got that first
first,
negative one?
Tisan, did you try? Tisan, did you try? After my period, without that, how can you understand? How that negative one, I have explained last period itself, how that negative one comes. Without trying, how can you understand? How did this d equal to negative 1? D comes negative 1 because second time is 19. So 9 plus 20 is negative 1. I told you, if you are not trying these questions, you can't get anything. Only those who are trying, only those who are doing homework can follow the classes. Others, you can simply sit, like watching a movie. We are going to complete our chapter, and you can't even understand how D becomes negative. How many of you tried this question? Raise your hand. After my class. Others, you don't have time to do, isn't it? Okay, I'm moving to the next question. If you don't want, to whom I am waiting? Right, next one, question number 17. It's a lengthy question, make it fast. Question number 17, right?
Ma'am, which was question number?
17, 17. Attendance, please. Aaron,
Present, ma'am.
those are not switch on your video. I won't give you attendance. Okay. Now your cameras are on, isn't it? Isn't it? Afterwards, I won't say this. I won't give the attendance. Only that. If in between my class, if anyone is switching off your camera, I will cut the attendance. Are you think? Copied, all of you? Copy the question? All of you copied? Okay, Melita, read the question.
In a school, student thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class. In each they are studying, example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 11. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted on by the student?
All of you read again. All of you read it again.
Ma'am.
Mm.
After this question, that in a potato is no, that no.
First, you write this question and read it. After that, we will discuss later.
Okay. Ma'am.
Okay, in a school, for as a part of their maybe environmental day, they are planting the trees. Each class will plant. What is their class? It's first division. Class 1 will plant. Class 1 will plant one tree. Okay, class 1 will plant 1 tree. Class 2 will plant 2 trees. Likewise, class 10 will plant how many trees?
10.
10 trees. Yes, class
10.
10 will plant 10 trees. And there are 3 divisions like ABC. 1 ABC, 2 ABC, 8 ABC, 10 ABC, ABC, 12 ABC classes up to 12th divisions. Okay, there are 3 divisions for all these classes. So my question, the number of trees that was planted by students of class 1. What it will be? Of trees planted by class 1 student will be what?
Three.
Number of three.
Three.
Three, yes. 1A will plant one, 1B will plant one,
One.
1C also will plant one. So 3. Then what is the number of trees planted by class 2?
6.
Class 2, 2 plus, good. 2 plus 2 plus 2, it is 6. Similarly, number of trees planted by class 3 is,
Nine.
class 3 is 3 plus 3 equal to 9, equal to 9. So the number of trees planted is 3, 6, 9, etc. Okay. And isn't it? Is the common difference same?
Three.
Three.
Common difference is same. Okay, you can write since 6 minus 3 equal to 3, 9 minus 6 equal to 3, 3, 6, 9, etc. forms an AP. Okay. So, number of trees planted forms an AP. Number of trees planted forms an AP. So, with A equal to 3 and D also equal to 3. Okay, up to this we got. This much trees are planted by each class. Now, what we need to find? We need to find, and what will be N? What is N? How many?
12.
12, yes, yes. Here it is 12 because 12 classes are there. First class 1, class 2, class 3, etc. Class 12. So there are 12 classes. So N equal to 12. And what we need to find in this question, the total number of trees, which means total number of trees,
SN.
Sn. Yes, here it is S12. S12. Sn, or here it is N is, since N is 12, it is S12. So right number of trees planted by the students. Length of the question is more. Answer is simple. Number of trees planted. Number of trees planted by the students. By the students is Sn. That is Sn equal to, write the formula. 1 into D, S7 equal to, sorry, S12 equal to, S12 equal to 12 by 2 into 3 plus 12 minus 1 into 3. Calculate how much this S12, how much trees are planted by
Man, 2 is it 234?
234 plants, trees. 200 and trees. Question number 18 and 20 are homeworks.
Okay.
Question number 18 and 20 are homeworks. So by this, our chapter AP is over. Arithmetic progression is over. But we will do some more question. I'm not starting new chapter. Next chapter is triangles. I'm not starting it now. We will begin it on Monday. Okay. Now we will do some questions of previously asked questions. Okay. That we will do. Okay. All of you over. Can I move this?
Ah.
Okay, we will do some previously asked questions, right? Question number one. Question number one. Here you have an important question. If Sn denote, if Sn denote the sum of first n terms first n terms of NAP. N terms of NAP prove that S12 equal to
Ma'am, this
3.
which question? Please.
It is not from the text, Rohan. It
Okay,
is
ma'am.
from a question paper, board question paper, CBSE
Ma'am,
board
that we
question.
need to write in note or rough book.
Yes, Appa. Very important question. Write in
Okay.
your note and mark it. It is an important question. After writing in the rough, you will throw it. No, don't leave these questions. Very important questions. Okay, S12 equal to 3 into S8 minus S4. S8 minus S4. Sn denotes sum of the first n terms of NAP. Prove that S12 equal to S3 into S8 minus S4. Okay, we just substitute the formula, only that. We know that Sn, what is the formula for Sn? All of you write. N by 2
By
into,
into 2 into a plus 2 into a plus and minus 1 into.
yes, good. N by 2 into 2a plus and minus 1 into d. We will start with the LHS, right hand side. LHS is 3 into S8 minus S4. So write formula for S8 and S4. That is 3 into n by 2 means 8 by 2 into 2a plus 8 minus 1 into d minus, right, formula for S4, 4 by 2 into 2a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is equal to 3 into 8 by 2 is 4 into 2a plus 7d minus 2 into 2a plus 5d. 2a plus 5d. Remove the bracket. 3 into 8a plus 28d minus 10d.
Ma'am,
Mm.
in board, how much mark will be this question?
This one is 2 mark question.
No, 5D, 3D. It should be 3D.
Sorry, 3D. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, sorry. 3D here. Correct. So it is 2a plus 3d. Sorry. So it is minus 4a minus 6d, isn't it? So this is equal to 3 into 8 minus 4, 4a plus 14d. 14d. We can take 3 into left side we must have. Okay.
I'm 18D now. At 4a plus a 14D.
14, sorry, it is 28 minus 6 is 22.
22.
22, yes. 22d. 22d. So next, so we can take 2 outside. 3, did we multiply? Did we take 3 inside?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No. So 3 into 2 also take outside. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 11d. Now we need to prove what this is S12, isn't it? So write S12, let it be equation 1. That is 3 into S8 minus S4. Equation number 1. Now write S12. S12 is into 2a plus 11 and minus 1. That is 12 minus 1. We will write constant. Into D. That is 6 into 2a plus 11d. Equation number 2. See, equation number 1 and equation number 2. This is S12. Are they equal? Equation 1. 6 into 2a plus 11d.
Yes, ma'am.
That is 3 into S8 minus S4. 6 into 2a plus 11d. 6 into 2a plus 11d. From 1 and 2, right? From 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can write S12 equal to 3 into S8 minus S4. S8 minus S4. Next, one more important question. Simple question. We are only applying the formula for Sn. After that, simplification. Okay. Second question. Second question. The ratio of the sum of first m terms and first n terms. The ratio of m terms and first n terms of an AP n terms of an AP is m square is to n square. Is m square is to n square. M square is to n square. Show that the ratio of the ratio of its mth and nth terms, its mth and nth terms, mth and nth terms is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. The ratio of sum of first m terms, that is S sum. First m terms means it is S sum, and the first n terms of an AP, that is Sn, that is ratio of S sum and Sn. Understand the first meaning of the first sentence? The ratio of sum of first m terms. Sum of first m terms means it is S sum. Sum of n terms, it is Sn. So ratio of Sm and Sn are, ratio of Sm and Sn are m square is to n square. Okay. So we will write sum of first m terms of AP is Sm, and sum of first n terms of AP is Sn. Okay. Given that Sm by Sn equal to m square by n square, their ratio. Sm is to Sn equal to m square is to n square. So Sm by Sn equal to m square by n square. Now substitute formula Sm and Sn. Sm is m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d divided by n by 2 into 2a plus m d equal to m square by n square. Just applying the formula, only that. Then simplification. Here 1 by 2 we can cancel. Both numerator and denominator 1 by 2 is there, that we can cancel. So m into 2a plus m minus 1 into d, n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to m square by n square. Here also we can cancel m from right side and left side. This m and here one m right side, and this n, one n from the right side. So it is 2a plus m minus 1 into d by 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to m by n, equal to m by n. Now cross multiplying n into 2a plus, here we can write md minus d plus d. Moving minus 1 into d is md minus 1. Now it is 2an plus nmd minus nd equal to 2m or 2am plus 2, no, 2 is not there, plus MND minus MD. All the, removing all brackets. Then
We can cancel
cancel M and D. Yes, yes, good. We can cancel M and D. Cancel M and D. 2, 2 we can't take. 2AN minus 2AM equal to, we will take ND to the other side. 2AN minus 2AM, take this side. And ND to the other side, minus MD. Here, 2A in common, M minus N minus M. N minus M, 2A common, N minus M, D common, N minus M. N minus M we can cancel. 2A equal to D. We got 2A as equation number 1. A equal to D. What next? We need to find the ratio of we need to find the ratio of
mth term and nth term.
mth term and nth term. Mth term means it is AM. Okay. To find, we need to find what? To find ratio of AM is to AN. That is AM by AN we need to find. So write AM by AN. AM by AN equal to A plus M minus 1 into D. And this is A plus N minus 1 into D. D we can substitute. D is 2A. Okay. So this is equal to A plus MD minus D. First of all, remove the bracket. After that, we will substitute. Divided by A plus ND minus D. That is A plus M into 2A minus 2A from 1. Because D equal to by A plus N into 2A minus 2A. It is 2MA minus A divided by, because A minus 2A is minus A. 2NA minus A. Take A outside and cancel. Check whether you are getting the answer. We have given what is the ratio. You have to show that. Take A outside. 2M minus 1. Here also 2N minus 1.
You want to take
A outside. A. AM by AN equal to 2M minus 1 by 2N minus. Right hand study. We have used just only those two formulae. SN and AN. Rest
ma'am? How that 2A?
2. Which one? Here. Yes,
ma'am.
because see first equation, the first equation. First equation what? D equal to 2A. See, first equation D equal to 2A. Okay, so I have substituted instead of this D, I substituted 2. Clear? 2A.
Okay.
Instead of D, I have substituted 2A. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubt? Okay, children, I'm going to wind up the class. And one more thing, next day we will start